Hi folks, welcome to the 5-Minute Crypto News. Today's date is Friday, February 10th, 2023. We have this heat map from coin360.com showing Bitcoin with the largest square, dominance of 40% of the entire market. Just about everything is in the red. Ethereum has the second largest square over here. We have Bitcoin in number 1. This data is provided by coinmarketcap.com. Ethereum is in second place, followed by Cardano in 8th place, Polygon in 9th, Dogecoin in 10th, Solana 11th, Polkadot 12, and Shiba Inu has fallen down to 13th place. It was as high as 9th place recently. Here is the price of a Bitcoin. It is 21,711 United States dollars, down 3.47%. We have Ethereum falling 5.8% or 1,528 US dollars per coin. Dogecoin is at 8.2 cents per coin in US currency. That's a fall of 5.14% in the last day. Cardano is falling 5.4%, currently at 36 cents per coin. We have Solana at $20.75, and it's relatively unchanged, one of the few holders. The cryptocurrency Fear and Greed Index provided by alternative.me website shows that we're now trending back down into the fear zone, this left half of the circle. Last week it was as high as 60 over here in the green, and now falling back because of latest news about staking entire cryptocurrency market cap for the whole world, and it is now holding steady at around 1.1 trillion United States dollars. Here are a few daily news items. So this article from Bloomberg, it says that Hut 8 Mining's CEO talks about the merger with US Bitcoin. And the newly announced merger of US Bitcoin and Hut 8 Mining Corporation. Hut 8 Mining Corporation is in Canada, and US Bitcoin obviously is in the United States. Says it will provide a diverse revenue and help provide the combined business scale, according to the chief executive of the Toronto-based crypto mining company. The all-stock merger was announced Tuesday in a news release, and Hut 8 Mining's Jamie Leverton will continue to act as the chief executive officer. The combined company will be named Hut 8 Corp and will be domiciled in the US. The combined entity will have a market capitalization of roughly $990 million, the release said. One of the advantages here is that the merger is giving us geographic diversification. There's uncertainty in regulatory environments on both sides of the border, according to the CEO. This is from the Financial Post. Under the agreement, Toronto-based Hut 8 will implement a 5-to-1 reverse stock split, and US Bitcoin holders will then receive 0.6716 shares of Hut 8 per US Bitcoin share. Existing Hut 8 and US Bitcoin holders will own 50% each of the combined company. Shares of Hut 8 fell 7.8% to US $2.20 as of 2:20 p.m. in New York. They've risen about 155% so far this year, after plunging 89% in 2022. Here's the stock chart of Hut 8 Mining Corporation. Hut is the symbol on the NASDAQ, currently at $1.69 as of today, Friday, February 10th, 2023, and it fell in the last day minus 7.66%. This is the 1 month chart showing the high of around $2.41, and it's now down to $1.69. In the last 1 year, it was as high as $7.50, and then it plunged just after FTX situation. It rose a little bit along with the crypto industry recently, and then fell after the merger announcement, but that's going in league with the entire market scene. This is the website for Hut 8, and here's the website for US Bitcoin Corp. Pretty fancy, showing pictures of all their rigs, their campuses, and their computing centers. They have computing centers in Texas, New York, and Nebraska, states in the United States. Here's an article from CoinDesk. It says, here's why artificial intelligence-focused cryptocurrencies are vastly outperforming Bitcoin. Tokens using AI technology have been on a tear in the past months, and some are sold on the hype while others remain wary. Crypto markets are known to be fueled by narratives, and artificial intelligence is the latest trend. Prominent traders on crypto Twitter are heralding AI-based tokens as the sector that might lead the next bull market cycle. They may be right so far. Such tokens are up an average of 80% in the past week alone. Among the biggest gainers have been tokens for platforms such as Aletheia's Artificial Liquid Intelligence, the symbol is ALI, Fetch.ai, and the symbol is FET, and Singularity Net, the symbol is AGIX, which have surged as much as 220%. The tokens of AI-based upstarts like Image Generation AI, and the symbol is IMGNAI, have more than tripled over a 2-week period, and the protocol allows users to generate artwork using text disruptions on social platforms such as Discord. One-time popular tokens from 2018 and 2021, such as Big Data Protocol, symbol BDP, and Measurable Data, MDT, seem to have jumped on the hype with tweets that seem to remind investors of how they utilize AI technology within their blockchain apps. BDP has surged 2,100% in the past week, and CoinGecko shows, while MDT has jumped 150%. Both protocols use their tokens to commoditize data, allowing providers and buyers to exchange data securely and anonymously. Crypto majors such as Bitcoin and Ether have paled in comparison, rising just 30% in the past month despite fundamental catalysts. The question is, why are AI tokens surging? AI broadly refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines programmed to think and act like humans. Popular applications for this technology have so far been limited to chatbots, self-driving cars, optimized search, and online marketplaces, and image generation software. Much of the recent surge in AI tokens emerged after the public launch of chatbot ChatGPT and image generation software DALL-E in mid-2022. Both are traditional software that did not use cryptocurrencies or blockchain and were launched by OpenAI, which recently raised $10 billion from Microsoft at a $29 billion evaluation. Such institutional interest has helped create a compelling argument for crypto traders to bet on AI-focused tokens as the next growth sector. Aditya Kanduri, head of marketing at Bigeconomy, says that there is a milder approach, and that person believes that the current AI trend is still pretty speculative, leading to a jump for tokens like Ocean, Ali, and Agix. Some of the tokens with more buzz and followings have pumped, and it's less about the actual tech behind it. And Kanduri says, say an AI tool gets 250 million users, then what will its infra look like? How will people use it? How will the data be trained? Where does the token fit in? Can you even have a way to reward people for their data if you used it to train your models? He said. Meanwhile, some market watchers remain cautious about the AI token hype. This article is from Yahoo Finance. It says that Coinbase stocks have dropped again as SEC crackdown is taking place on staking, and that spooks investors. Coinbase is a trading platform located in the United States for cryptocurrency, and it has the stock symbol COIN, C-O-I-N. And a crackdown on crypto staking from the SEC has weighed on shares of Coinbase this week following charges levied at competitors and a cryptic tweet from CEO Brian Armstrong. Shares of Coinbase were down over 4% on Friday following a 13% plunge Thursday that has seen the stock forfeit roughly half of its year-to-date rally. Still, shares of Coinbase are up more than 60% in 2023. Here is the stock chart for Coinbase Global showing a recent rise in league with the entire cryptocurrency market and markets in general, and then a falling here caused partly by the market falling itself, but also because of the recent news on the staking in the crypto industry. And concerns from investors come after competitor exchange Kraken paid $13 million to settle charges levied by the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. The company offered unregistered securities through its staking program. As part of the settlement, Kraken agreed to shutter its staking program for U.S. customers while neither admitted any wrongdoing or denying the SEC allegations. Here is the Kraken website. Here's the crypto chart for Coinbase Global. You look at the maximum, it has fallen along with the entire cryptocurrency market in the last 2 years, and then it's rose slightly here and falling toward the end. Finally, this article comes from Finbold, and the writers at Finbold asked the artificial intelligence software called ChatGPT to explain Bitcoin like a 1920s mobster. And they say that the results are hilarious, so judge for yourself. Here's the text right here written by the software. All right, boss, let me break it down for you. Bitcoin is like this stash of cash we got hidden away, see? Only instead of it being in a physical place like a safety deposit box, it's all digital. Get it? And it's just like regular money. You can use it to buy things. But there's a few key differences. First off, it's completely anonymous. No one knows who's making the transactions, which makes it a pretty sweet setup for us. Second, it's decentralized, which means there ain't no one person or bank in charge of it. It's all run by the people using it. Get it? And the best part, it's completely untraceable. No government, no bank, no one can track where the bitcoins are coming from or where they're going. It's like we're running our own little shadow economy. Now, the value of a bitcoin could change just like the stock market, so you gotta keep your eye on it. But if you play your cards right, you could end up with a real nice payout. Just remember, it's a risky game, and you gotta be careful, or you could end up losing everything. So we have this from Reddit, published by Dyer Pie. It says, "Thank you, SEC." And on the left we have a soldier with SEC and the Kraken logo. And on the right we have all the exchanges with a whole bunch of daggers heading toward this guy sleeping soundly in the bed. In the United States stocks related to cryptocurrency, we have Robinhood. The symbol is HOOD, trading at $9.97 in US currency, and that's a drop of 1%. FTX token is now at $1.60. It has fallen 21% in the last week. We have MicroStrategy tumbling 2.51%, currently at $242.80. Grayscale Bitcoin is at $10.68. We have Marathon Digital, $5.79 a share, falling 2.73%. Greenwich Generation up 2.47% at $0.64. We have Van Eck Digital Transformation Exchange Traded Fund, the symbol is DAPP, $4.09 per share, and that's a drop of 3.54% on the day. The Van Eck Bitcoin Strategy Exchange Traded Fund with symbol XBTF, a different fund, is at $21.94 a unit. We have the Valkyrie ETF Trust 2, and that's at $8.60 a unit, a drop of 1.18%. We have Stronghold Digital Mining, the symbol is SDIG, and that's falling 4.05%. ProShares Bitcoin Strategy Exchange Traded Fund, the symbol is BITO, $13.52 a share, dropping 1%. Riot Platforms, $5.53 per share. It's a drop of 2.12%. Silvergate Capital, $14.82 a share, and that's a drop of 5.96% on the day. Bit Mining Limited is at $3.03 per share, rising an amazing 6.3%, totally bucking the trend of the day. Hive Blockchain Technologies, symbol HIVE, $2.94 a share and dropping 5% approximately. Bit Digital, $1.21 a share, rising 0.42%. We have Wonderfy Technologies at 14 cents a share and dropping 6%. Bitwise Crypto Industry Innovators Exchange Traded Fund, the symbol is BITQ, and that is $5.13 a unit, and that's a drop of 4.1%. We have Global X Blockchain Exchange Traded Fund, $19.17 a unit, and falling at 3.47%. And Valkyrie Bitcoin Miners Exchange Traded Fund, the symbol is WGMI, and that is currently at $7.91 a unit and dropping 1.8% on the day. That ends the United States items. Please like and subscribe. And now some other stocks around the world. Going to Canada, we have the Ether Fund, which favors Ethereum, and that is $32.95 per unit and dropping 3.37%. We have the Bitcoin Fund, which obviously follows Bitcoin, $29.67 a unit, and that's a drop of 2.63%. And Bitfarms Limited, $1.20 a share, falling a large 6.98% on the day. We have Wonderfy Technologies. This is the Canadian version of the stock, Canadian listing, and it's at 19 cents in Canadian currency, 5.13% drop today. One stock from the United Kingdom, we have Argo Blockchain, and it's in British pounds, 16 British pounds. That is unchanged on the day. Please subscribe, and thanks for watching.